Garage door openers repair services in Anderson Mill, Austin, Texas. Service Basics Garage Doors has launched its services in the Anderson Mill area of Austin, Texas for repair and maintenance of garage door openers. Service Basics Garage Doors can look after all the inner components and mechanisms of your garage door openers to ensure they are working efficiently. The Texas company can maintain your garage door openers, with checks on parts, lubrication, and tension adjustment to ensure they work correctly. Get professional garage door opener services in Anderson Mill from Service Basics Garage Doors today. Visit ServiceBasics.com for more information.